Hey guys, I'm Luke with Clean Choice here. We got this house that has so much dog throw up here. We're going to clean the carpets. I want to show you how to do it. Stay till the end. We'll get after footage of it. So it's pretty bad. As you can see here, the dog threw up chocolate all over this place. It is awful. So we got chocolate here. We got chocolate here. We've got chocolate on the couch, on the floor here, and then we also have it down the stairs. So today we're going to clean the stairs and this whole living room and get it all cleaned up for this client. So what we've got here is we've got our steam cleaner, we've got our suction hose, carpet cleaning machine, professional carpet cleaning machine here, and what has already been dropped on the floor is baking soda right when the dog threw up. So I'm not able to use any high pH on the carpets right now because baking soda is a high pH content. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the steam, the hot water. We're going to extract it, get as much out as we can, and then we're going to hopefully get it completely cleaned up. So anyways, follow along. We're going to take a couple minutes here, get this all cleaned up, and then we'll show you after photos as well. Oh, that's crazy. Oh man, that's a lot of chocolate. So what we're using right here is hot steam, and the hot steam is basically melting the chocolate and sucking it right into the machine. So this carpet's going to come out completely perfect when it's all done. So right now, this hose is hot. It's hot steam coming out. It's about 100 degrees approximately, between 75 and 100 degrees. So it's getting all cleaned up really nice. This is going to be an amazing aftershot. So what I'm doing is I'm just running the steam through it right now. I'm not worried about sucking out all of the water. I'm just doing a first run, a first pass over it. You won't even be able to know where this was once we're finished. Nobody will even know. So I'm just steaming it right now. I'm not worried about sucking all the water out. Just giving it a once over. And then in a little bit here, I'll do the extraction. This is going to take a couple times going over it to make it perfect, but it's going to come out really nice. I'm excited about this. Okay, so I'm just going to go over it one more time. This large section here where all the stain is. Just like that. Pretty large stain. And now we're extracting, so I'm not spraying any solution at all. No steam coming out. It's just pulling all the water out. Our machine is a really nice machine. It's a portable machine, so technically we can bring it into hotels, churches, anything like that, and we don't need to have it only van mounted. So it has two vacuums. It runs I believe it's a 220 outlet. So each vacuum is a 110 vacuum, and it provides a lot of suction. So it does a really good job of pulling up all the water out of the carpet. I may have to go over this one more time. Still see a little bit of brown in the carpet. One trick that I recommend is using that baking soda, put down the carpet first if your dog has an accident like this, because it does soak up a lot of the debris in the carpet, and then whatever's left we can clean out. Just make sure that you tell your carpet cleaning person that you put down a high pH, because if they also put a high pH down on the carpet, it'll bleach the carpet. It'll be way too high of a pH level. So you always want to make sure you communicate with your carpet cleaning guy how much you put down and what you put down on the carpet. That way they can account for it with their soaps. Wow, that cleaned up so nice. You can't even tell. Okay, we're going to get to this next spot over here. I'm going to clean up some of this real quick. Extra baking soda left over. Okay, let's get up real close to this one. Wow. Look at that. Hot steam is coming through, so the steam is melting this chocolate here. Oh, by the way, the dog ate semi-sweet chocolate, so it's the most toxic. Yeah, about 2 pounds of semi-sweet chocolate. So we were told that the dog had 150 parts in him. I don't remember the exact what exactly it was called, but I guess 50 is lethal, and the dog had 150 parts in him, which was 3 times the legal limit, the lethal limit. So that was kind of impressive to hear that. Okay, there's that spot. It's all looking perfect. I'm going to clean up some of this stuff here. Get some of this all cleaned up. Okay, now we're moving on to the couch. That looks really good. You should look at it from this direction here. That's impressive. Okay, now it's time to clean this up. I'm going to vacuum this all up first on the couch. This is the worst stain I have seen on a couch in my 8 years of doing business. This is not human, by the way. This is a dog. Okay, ready for it? Oh, that's cleaning right up. Yeah, that'll clean up real good. Couches are a lot of fun to clean because you can see the before and after. Even if the couch is not looking very dirty, it's still a lot of fun to clean the couches because afterwards the couch just turns out incredible. You don't realize how dirty a couch is in general until you clean it. Here we go. Go over it one more time. I still see a tiny bit of dark stain on it. But once it dries, it'll look really nice when we're done. Sometimes certain foods and certain things will actually stain fabrics so they're permanently ruined, which is not uncommon at all. So sometimes we tell our clients to expect to have a little bit of an little bit of a dye stain left over. Most of the time we can get it cleaned up. Just sometimes, especially in very fine fabrics, it tends to soak in and actually stain it that color. But it usually comes up really nice. Very, very not noticeable. You won't be able to notice it very well. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to start on the, I got a little bit of spot here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get started on the floor here now. It's a lot of work. Sorry if it sounds like I'm losing my breath sometimes. Right. This one. Oh, wow. That's incredible. Enough there. Look at it there. Now you move that couch one today. That'll drop it. Now I'm just soaking up the water. Any sort of soaps and steam that is left over from the cleaning. Okay, look at that. That's pretty impressive. All done. Now we're going to move on to the stairs. Okay, now we're here cleaning these stairs. We'll clean half at a time so we can move the hose. The other half here. I did already pre-treat this section because this didn't have any dog syrup on it. So this side I was able to treat with a little bit of pre-spray. That cleaned it up. Just basically some soaps that changes the pH level in the carpet. And it allows the carpet to kind of lighten up, and it loosens up the dirt on the carpet. Just making sure I get up all the water. Okay. I'm gonna vacuum this up first here. Just gonna spray it here really quick. Let me get it kind of wet and melt the chocolate. That before and after, just the dirty carpet versus the clean. It's very impressive. Now I'm just gonna soak it up. Okay. Make sure it's all nice and clean there. And dry. Good. I'm gonna get the right side here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this carpet cleaning disaster. We got it all cleaned up. We got it all shined up. Now there's no more evidence in this client's house that there is any chocolate on the ground. We'll do one last overview really quick. Let's see here. That's where the first stain was, right there. And then the other stain was right here on the couch. It's completely cleaned up, nothing left. And we got the stairs cleaned up as well. So I'm going to continue cleaning the rest of the stairs, but I won't bore you with that video. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time.